respected dignitaries on the dais of the Chaitanya Group of Institutions, Chairman of Chaitanya Group of Institutions, Sri Mallampati Sridhar Garu, Director Sri Vidya Madam Garu, Executive Director Sai Geetika Madam Garu, ఇవాల్టి టుడేస్ గెస్ట్ వివి లక్ష్మణ్ గారు,
మౌంట్
బిఓజీ అడ్వైజర్ కమ్ మెంబర్ పన్నాల కృష్ణమూర్తి గారు, డీన్ అకాడమిక్స్ సుదర్శన్ గారు, హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ది డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్, కర్మచారీస్ అండ్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వామ్ వెల్కమ్ టు ది చైతన్య ఉత్సవ్. బిఫోర్ ది it was established 2 years back with a vision of giving the highest qualitative education and quantitative education to the common and rural people. In this regard, we have got several ranks. From the last 2 years, we are having the several ranks. Even though the percentage of the JNTU was only limited to the 22%, it was rose to the 22% to the 85%, and we got a gold medal in the last year. Ayesha got the gold medal, and with our microscopic observations and the schedule, the micro schedule that which we have implemented, we have got the highest results. In addition to this, we are having the Microsoft Innovation Center, where we have innovated things have been established, and Telangana, we got the first rank in the Telangana Innovation Center Award, and also we have placed the 100% placement in this one, in this campus. Besides this, there are several kinds of achievements that which we made. In the process of the Chaitanya Utsav, to serve the society, we went to the old age homes and distributed the things, and also we have done the blood bank, blood donation camp in our campus. Keeping aside all these things, I am thankful to the management members who have contributed their utmost level best to the success of this institution and put on the top of the entire Telangana. On this auspicious occasion, I request Dr. Sri Mallampati Sai Geetika Madam Garu to address the gallery, and with her micro schedule, there was a vast development in the institution to achieve the targets, and I request Sri Mati Mallampati Sai Geetika Madam Garu to address the gathering.